Hello friends, let me take you on a little bit different adventure today. It's not going to be anything hard, anything dangerous or even extreme. It's gonna be nice and easy walk which you can share and enjoy with your family, with your kids, with your dogs, with your friends, even do it on your own. Let's appreciate our beautiful nature and respect it all the time. Enjoy the video.
In the old system.
You cannot get enough from this view behind me. It's just spectacular. Glencoe viewpoint. So guys, we finished our breakfast and now we are heading to nobody knows where. It's gonna be surprise for you, surprise for us, because we have no plan at all. So join us. I hope you're gonna enjoy it.
We already stretched them yesterday.
So after we saw Itchery's Falls, is it Itchery's Falls? I'm gonna write the name now down because you know that I'm bad with the pronunciation. After we saw, and I had amazing swim into this freezing water. I think this was the coldest water I've ever get in, but it was still amazing. We are going to Still Water, another waterfall with amazing views. As you can see, the nature surrounding it's just awesome. So enjoy this. Maybe it's gonna be short walk again. Just enjoy it. Join us. Hello sir, hi. Thank you. Another friendly dog.
Hiya.
Hi. let's investigate this hose made from the water. They look so smooth and so nice. It is amazing art from the nature. Let's see, but first I need to get there because it's a bit rocky, a bit slippery, a bit steep. Up, you need to be able to stretch like this, like a ballerina. Have a look. It's so amazing. Let me try to get closer without falling. Hop. Because as you can see, it's not a joke. Nothing's joke, to be honest. Okay. Let me see. How can I do it? Okay, here. Okay. How the water is making her own way. It's spectacular. Come on, let's continue it. Let me get back on the path. And just in front, as you can see, this beauty, still waterfall. But just before, to get closer underneath and see it from different point, we have to cross one bridge, and this is Glen Nevis rope bridge, and it's just in front of me. Looks amazing, looks a little bit tricky, yeah. So hold tight and enjoy it. Just if you fall, make a beautiful dive, you know, and don't fall on your belly, mate. Like dive into the water.
Dive on.
Yeah.
I have phone, I have phone.
It's okay, come on. This is happening once. Oh, I think I might need to use my both hands. Oh, I find a coin. Should I jump for it? Come on guys, don't hide here. I know it's beautiful, but let's see the waterfall. I had an amazing day, and as we drive back home, as you can see, the view in front was spectacular. This sunset must be appreciated, and we stopped on the shore of Loch Lenny. We had our meal there, simple meal, as much as you can call it simple with this wonderful view. Thanks for watching, friends. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe and enjoy this sunset. See you next time.